Then you start percussing towards the right. Usually it is 1 to 1.5 centimeters from the apex pin. Okay, so this is the left absolute border. This would be the right absolute border. So it's very near.
Oh, it's
very near. It will be just a small triangle like that, and this will be the upper border. Okay, so this will be here and here. Okay, same thing. Find the apex bit. Okay, find the apex bit. Find the fifth ICS. Okay, move along the fifth ICS towards the anterior axillary. Place your hand there and start percussing. Percuss. It usually would be 1 to 1.5 centimeters left to the mid-clavicular line. Then you stop. That is your left relative border. Absolute border. Place your finger outwards of the left relative border and start percussing. Percuss. It must be 1 to 1.5 centimeter from the relative border.
When you say outwards, you mean towards the right side, is it?
Left side.
Or it's just the balik with the other one. The other one you have to place it towards the left.
This side.
Or
Here you
more
place this side.
laterally lah.
Laterally, yeah.
Oh.
For your absolute, place your hand laterally to the relative borders. Okay. Okay. Everything clear here? Now we go to the upper border. Upper border. This is where you need to percuss the ribs and the ICS. Okay. For these two borders, we only percuss the ICS. But for this, both ribs plus ICS you have to percuss. So you have to move slowly. Don't move. Your jarak must be near because you're percussing both ribs and ICS. So if you usually, okay, and your hand must be, this is the left sternal border, 1 centimeter away from the left sternal border. So you just say, I'm going to percuss on this. If I'm going to percuss here, so I have to make sure it's just like 1 centimeter away from the left sternal. Sorry, I'm going to percuss here. If you are going to percuss here, so you go in a bit. So it depends on where you are going to percuss. So you start. Okay. Hear the difference? This is his relative upper border. It usually would be in the third rib. Okay, it will be between the third rib. Okay. Next, absolute. Okay, remember this is the point, so I'll put before the point. Okay, this is the point. So for my absolute, I'll put it before the point. So my hand will be here now. Okay, remember this is the point. My hand will be here before the point. Okay, then I percuss downwards. Here. It's usually the distance would be just like 1 centimeter. If this is in the third rib, your absolute border would be lower margin of the third rib. The distance is very small, okay? Very short distance. Okay? Same thing, percuss from up here, percuss the space and the rib. Make sure your hand is just 1 centimeter away from the left sternal line. And you percuss. You found the relative border, you mark it up here. Mark up. Then, to find the absolute border, your finger is placed above the point. Then, start percussing. Super soft. Then, move downwards. Then, next point. That's the absolute border. Okay? Is it okay?
Just one.
Yeah.
Just now for the absolute upper border, you pinpoint your finger?
Up the top there.
Atas. Because I'm coming from on top, always on top. If I'm going from below, always below.
And then after that, when you wanted to find that was the relative, right? And then you wanted to find the.
Absolutely.
So you put your finger above that point.
Yes.
And then after
Yes.
you have found the absolute one, it's below or upper.
Also up, because I'm still going down.
Oh, okay.
No, just remember, if you're going to move down, always it should be up. If you're going to percuss from here, you're going upwards, then always down. Just equal your hand, follow your hand direction. Okay, next would be the transverse diameter of the heart. Okay, transverse diameter of the heart, you need to find two relative border. That would be the right relative border and the left relative border. Okay, so you have to do back from the first. Find the relative border, move upwards, turn your hand, find the relative border, mark the point, and straight away take a ruler and measure from this point to the midline of his sternum. So this is his midline, kan? So take the ruler and measure. Okay, usually it must be 3 to 4 centimeters. This, okay, usually 3 to 4 centimeters. Then once you are finished with this, start with your left. So same thing, palpate the apex beat, find for the apex beat, move your hand towards the left, towards his axillary region, and start percussing. Percuss until you reach the relative border, left relative border. Same thing. From here, measure towards his midline. Okay, his midsternal line. And this usually would be 6 to 8 centimeters. Okay, this would be longer. Okay, here is shorter, here will be longer. Then after you find this, plus both. Plus both, it usually must be from 11 to 13 centimeters. That is the transverse diameter of the heart.